That was bound to happen. It's an older boat.
Oh, that's a shame.
That's pretty bad. At least it's in the water.
I knew something was burning. I saw the black smoke, man.
Wow.
Yeah, if that thing pops, we're gonna get. Well, we got this.
We got the fence. Yeah.
Okay, why is it taking them so long, Frank?
Yeah. Where's the fire truck? He's like.
They were right out front there. They just pulled in.
Oh, it's still hooked up to shore power.
Yeah. I wonder how it's on fire. That's a good question.
Frank, nobody was even around it.
I hope nobody was in it.
No, I don't think anyone's in it. It's kind of old looking.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So then how did it start?
Maybe
Electrical spark.
Just by sitting there?
Alright, here come the firefighters.
There it comes.
I hope the gas tank doesn't.
Well, you can almost feel the heat from over here.
I know you can feel the heat. Right, spray the thing, yeah.
Wow, it's really smoking now.
That is wicked smoking. Wow.
Probably smells more if Lucy was standing next to it.
Yeah.
Tanks in the hall down below.
Yeah.
They're sealed.
Yeah,
Glass
but
smells.
it could hit the fuel tank still.
Yeah.
Boy, if only we could get a little closer, but I don't want to be closer than this.
Yeah.
Okay, Frank, how come they're not spraying it? Holy crap.
They're just gonna let it burn down a little bit more.
Oh my god.
Oh,
We had to tackle the hose.
Oh my god, that is majorly smoking.
yeah.
Ugh.
Here we go.
I've never seen one of those hoses.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, the hose put it out like.
Oh, he must be doing like the foam.
Ah.
Where's that water, you think?
Wow, it's moving the boat.
What?
Oh,
That
poor
hose
boat,
is so
man.
powerful that it can move the boat.
Yeah.
Wow. Poor people who have to go that way.
I know. That's sad.
That's a lot of steam.
Well, hopefully they got
At
insurance.
least it wasn't a restaurant. I thought it was just a restaurant.
No, there was a gate here the whole time. Wow.